In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Cloudflare DNS IP address, a process that's crucial if you've recently moved your website to a new server or simply need to update your DNS settings for better performance or security. Let's get started by signing into your Cloudflare account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific domain that you're looking to update. This is where you start shaping how visitors access your website or application. Head over to the DNS section of your dashboard, and from there, click on Records. Doing so will bring up a full view of all your current DNS entries. This list is essential as it maps out all paths through which data and visitors traverse to reach your site or service. Now let's move on to the crucial part: updating your DNS records. More specifically, the A or HAPA records in most cases. The A record represents an IPv4 address, and the APAA record is for an IPv6 address. To make the update, you'll need to find the specific DNS record that needs changing. Click on the Edit button beside this record. Be precise as you locate this to avoid any unintended changes to other settings. Once in the edit mode, you'll replace the existing IP address with your new server IP address. This step is pivotal. Entering the correct IP ensures that all traffic is directed properly to your updated server location. After updating the IP, you'll notice an orange cloud icon next to the record. This icon indicates that your traffic is being proxied and thus benefits from Cloudflare's security and caching services. If you want to keep these enhancements, make sure the icon remains orange. However, should you need your DNS traffic to bypass Cloudflare for any specific reason, you can click the icon to switch it to a gray cloud, which changes it to DNS-only mode. Just remember, using the DNS-only option strips away those extra layers of performance optimization and protection that Cloudflare offers, so choose wisely based on your specific needs. Finally, once all the necessary adjustments have been made to the record, hit the Save button to apply your changes. Cloudflare processes these updates swiftly, but keep in mind that DNS propagation across the internet can take some time. Typically, it might take a few minutes to several hours before the changes become universally effective, depending on global TTL settings and caching nodes. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Cloudflare DNS IP address. With this change, you're ensuring that your website remains accessible and that all its functionalities are streamlined and up to date. Thank you for watching, and remember to check back for more tutorials on optimizing your digital environment.